If you're having trouble logging into your Dasher app, your account may be deactivated. Understanding why this happens and how to fix it is crucial for maintaining your delivery income. There are three main categories of deactivation. Policy violations include customer ratings below 4.2 stars or completion rates under 80%. Background check issues involve new criminal records or driving violations. Technical problems include prolonged inactivity over 6 months or expired documents. Here's an example of a driver rating display. Notice this driver has a 4.92 rating, which is well above the 4.2 minimum required to avoid deactivation. DoorDash has made significant improvements to their reactivation process. They've enhanced security protocols and streamlined the system, reducing wait times from up to 14 days down to just 3 to 5 business days for most cases. The reactivation process follows 5 key steps. First, there's an initial assessment of your deactivation reason. Then you submit required documentation. Next comes a review period where your case is evaluated. You'll receive decision communication via email and app notification. Finally, if approved, your account is immediately restored. Understanding these deactivation reasons and the improved reactivation process gives you the knowledge needed to successfully restore your Dasher account and get back to earning. There are 3 main methods to reactivate your deactivated Dasher account. Each method has specific steps and requirements for success. The first method is in-app reactivation, the second is through the web portal, and the third involves contacting support directly. Let's examine each method in detail. Method 1, in-app reactivation. This is often the fastest and most convenient option for most Dashers. Method 2, web portal reactivation. This method provides more detailed forms and better document upload capabilities. Method 3, direct support contact. This method is best for complex cases or when other methods haven't worked. Regardless of which method you choose, having the right documentation is crucial for successful reactivation. Here are the key success strategies that significantly improve your chances of reactivation approval. Finally, here are prevention strategies to avoid future deactivations and maintain your active Dasher status. By following these 3 reactivation methods, providing complete documentation, and implementing these success strategies, you'll maximize your chances of getting your Dasher account reactivated quickly and successfully.